About 7:25 a.m. September 29th, 2022. And it looks like a big tree was that sound I heard earlier. Or looks like part of a tree up there. Luckily the car didn't get hit. There's a branch in the road. There's power outages down here. We've been lucky. It's only going off for a couple seconds at a time, maybe 4 or 5 times. Heard a lot of transformers though, and here's a little gusty happening now. I'll be outside in a little bit getting wet, get you some better video. This is from inside. Well, you can see it's gusty. We've had gusts maybe around hurricane force at treetop level. I'm in a big hollow here. Luckily, I'm in kind of a bowl, which really helps. It really helps. So I'm about tree level, 40 feet below. The high point's around here, 30, 40 feet below, which is good for the wind. So we'll be back soon with some video from outside while I'm getting wet. Y'all stay safe. Take care.